The fire and reconstruction of Notre-Dame Cathedral. Notre-Dame of Paris, an architectural masterpiece, stands as a symbol of Gothic ingenuity and French heritage. Constructed between the 12th and 14th centuries, its soaring arches, intricate sculptures, and iconic rose windows drew millions of visitors each year. Beyond its beauty, Notre Dame was a repository of history, witnessing coronations, revolutions, and celebrations. In 2019, Notre Dame was undergoing a restoration project to its roof and spire. But on April 15, 2019, the unthinkable happened. A devastating fire broke out, threatening to erase centuries of art and culture. As the evening unfolded, flames engulfed the roof of Notre Dame. Starting in the attic, the fire rapidly spread, fueled by the ancient timber, often called the forest for its dense oak structure. The iconic spire collapsed, sending shockwaves across the world. Emergency responders faced immense challenges, battling intense heat and toxic smoke. Yet, in a heroic effort, they saved the main structure and precious relics, including the crown of thorns and the cathedral's organ. The world watched in horror, united in grief, and determined to rebuild. In the aftermath, the extent of the destruction was clear. The roof and spire were gone, leaving a gaping hole. Inside, debris covered the floor, and the stability of the remaining structure was in question. Experts worked tirelessly to stabilize the cathedral, erecting temporary scaffolding and protective covers to shield the fragile remains from weather and further damage. Despite the devastation, hope emerged. Many parts of the cathedral, including the stained glass windows and main facade, survived relatively intact. The reconstruction process began almost immediately, with a global outpouring of support. Donations totaled nearly €850 million, reflecting Notre Dame's universal significance. Architects and engineers relied on cutting-edge technology and traditional craftsmanship to rebuild. 3D scans and historical records guided the restoration, ensuring accuracy. Teams painstakingly crafted new wooden beams, replicated the spire's design, and restored damaged artwork. The meticulous restoration process involved cleaning over 42,000 square meters of stone, using innovative latex peels to strip away centuries of grime without causing damage. Conservators uncovered mason marks etched by medieval builders, intimate traces of the artisans who shaped Notre Dame in the 12th and 13th centuries. French President Emmanuel Macron vowed to reopen Notre Dame by 2024, aligning the reconstruction with the Paris Olympics. Now, the restoration is nearing completion. The new spire, faithful to its 19th century design by Eugène Viollet-le-Duc, rises once again. The roof has been meticulously reconstructed, blending tradition with innovation to ensure resilience against future threats. 5 years after a catastrophic fire reduced Notre-Dame Cathedral to a smoldering shell, the transformation is nothing short of breathtaking. Brilliant stone and gilded accents gleam anew, and the Gothic icon's majesty is reborn. This gleaming transformation is a stark contrast to the wreckage of 2019, when the nave was strewn with charred debris. Notre Dame's story is one of survival, unity, and renewal. From the ashes of tragedy, it emerges stronger, ready to inspire generations to come. This cathedral is not just a building, it is a testament to humanity's enduring spirit and commitment to preserving our shared history. Notre Dame stands tall once again, a beacon of hope, resilience, and the timeless beauty of the human spirit. With restoration complete, Notre Dame has risen from the ashes, and scheduled to reopen to the public December 8, 2024. Visitors will once again marvel at the cathedral's blend of history and craftsmanship.